I'm Nishant Kalra, and I'm currently working as a senior clinical fellow in anaesthetics at Royal Papworth Hospital in UK. And for a while, I've been trying to develop my basic TOE skills, and this is why I've attended this course, and that's the reason I attended EchoMasters. I'm expected to do TOEs as a part of emergency on calls and in theaters as well. And I think after doing this course, I am feeling much more confident in doing those quick pre-bypass scans and post-bypass scans where time is of urgency and critical time is of essence. So I think I have definitely refined my skills a lot in this course. As compared to other courses that I have attended in the past, this course was very intensive in terms of the hands-on experience. I think I've done more than 12 hours of hands-on experience in the last 48 hours, which I have never ever had in any kind of previous courses. And along with that, in combination with the EchoMasters Playbook, it was a very unique combination, and I think it was a very intensive hands-on experience, which will be very helpful in my upcoming practice, and would be helpful in my future anesthetic roles as well. I started reading the EchoMasters Playbook quite ahead of time, and it really helped me to keep me oriented throughout the course along with the one-to-one experience. I think I will use it as a guide for my future practice for the years to come. So I think the most important aspect and the most valuable aspect of this course in my experience was that it was a complete hands-on experience. I have not had such amount of hands-on experience in any course I have attended in the past. And not just it was so much of hands-on experience, but it was all supervised. And slowly in this course I have over the last 2 days, I have developed, I think, acquired more and refined hands-on skills on acquiring better views. This I don't think you can get just by reading a textbook or going through reading materials. This needs to be done in a very supervised atmosphere. So one of the other good parts was that everything was supervised, and we were taught everything while being coached hands-on as well. Again, from this perspective, I would say that anyone who's planning to attend this course for the purpose of starting their TOE journey or improving their already present TOE skills, I think this course would be the best place to do it.